have Motorola Moto G31 and today I'm going to show you how to add photo to contact on this device. So firstly you have to open your contacts list, select contact which you want to add photo, then tap edit contact, tap on the camera icon to add its photo, then you have an option to take a photo or to just select photo from the gallery. Let's select photo. Here you can adjust this photo how you want it to look, then tap save copy and then save, and as you can see, image added. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.